Kublai fi baro. Link ba kani ka video nga kwa ban penshai shikinong shong jong ka jila. Hagbadi bat karai jong ka voice of the people party. Ban perlong ya ka jing iaid paidbah ka jaijai. Main Secretariat hakan riutrik unailar arajar arpunriu. Kidon shibon ki mat bat ki jinge ki baka jila ka yakendo. Kabalon ra ia ka jing bat ki jing jinjar ka bakraw ya ki babon ki nong shong. Kani ka jing iaid paidbah ka panpaw ya ka jing pitar ka jing ki paidbah ya ka jing bamhon ka jing ki paidbah ya ka jing persya ki paidbah ya ka rukom trekam jong ka sarkar MD ka belong persya ya ki try muluk ki try jaka persya ya ki beduk ki bakaduk ki barit ki barya ka bapen kharoi ki kam bamsam ka rukom trekam ka ba pharya ya ki shnong ki thau bat wanra ka jing pat ka jing pra ha ka jai benriu ka jing penjot ya ka mariang ha ka kateng jonggori ka par bat ki don chibon ba ki jinge ba ki mat ndre ka por kam sha bangan batai lut ya ki ha ka ni ka por kumta ni kintu ya ki pai ba nong shong shnong ki badon ya ka jing kit kli na kamta kala shai kala shisin ka loi jogari ba ka jai benriu ba ki ni shim bentala bat ni kom ka party ha ka ni ka jing iaid paidbah ka ban ka khubor ka shai bat ka baklan shaka sarkar bangin ong katu kalapiang ka sarkar ka di ban sai mator ya kini kul kom trekam ki balong persya ya ka jing bit ka jing biang ka jing mentoy jong try melo o try jaka ni don kam ban ying tili ka wei kum ka jai riu ban pan pau ya ka ni ka jing slow ka jong kublai shibon. Hello everyone, I am Bahadan Miller Bisayamut, President of the Voice of the People Party, and in this video I am going to explain why the Voice of the People Party decides to conduct a peaceful march towards the Main Secretariat on the 6th August 2026. There are countless issues and problems that the state is facing, which has resulted in the untold sufferings of the people. This peaceful march represents the frustration, the opposition, dissatisfaction, and anger of the people against the MDA government for its anti-local policy, anti-poor policy, the prevalence of corruption, divisive policy, degradation and destruction of environment in the name of development, atrocities against the citizens of the state. And the list can go on and on. It will take a lot of time for me to explain each and every problem that the state is facing today. Therefore, I appeal to all the right-thinking people and all those who are concerned about the future of the state, especially those who have been affected by these policies, to join us in this peaceful march in order to send a very strong message to the government that enough is enough. The government must stop these policies which are against the interests of the local indigenous people. Now it's time for us to unite in order to ensure a brighter future of our state and its people. Thank you.